Here's a quick overview of the parts of my hammock system. For those just getting started, these parachute hammocks work great. I found these for $18. They came with daisy chain tree straps. I made a double-sided stuff sack that holds the hammock, the DIY bug net, and the snakeskin. It allows a quick setup that keeps everything off the ground. The internal ridgeline is great for hanging items that I keep close, like my phone, my headlamp, or my glasses. I achieved the bottom insulation a couple of different ways. A foam or air pad is the easiest, and for cold weather, an underquilt works great. I purchased this $9 sleeping bag and made it into a dual-purpose underquilt or top quilt. And with the extra pieces that I cut off, I made the travel pillow and the double-sided stuff sack. No waste, right? And I know, glaringly, there's no tarp. I'm still working on finishing up my DIY tarp, and during the filming of this, it started to rain. But hey, it allowed me to show how quickly it can all be taken down. Getting started doesn't have to break the bank. So, start building your own system with a piece at a time. And then go find some trees and get out there.